Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most fascinating stars in our night sky, Betelgeuse. Located in the constellation Orion, Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star that has captivated astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. Its distinctive reddish hue and immense size make it one of the brightest stars visible from Earth, often serving as a guidepost for navigating the cosmos. But what truly sets Betelgeuse apart is its potential to go supernova, an event that could have profound implications for our understanding of the universe. Imagine witnessing a star explode in a brilliant display of light, outshining entire galaxies for a brief moment. This is not just a distant possibility. Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life cycle, and scientists believe it could go supernova within the next million years, an eye blink in cosmic terms. The implications of such an event are staggering. Not only would it provide a unique opportunity to study stellar death, but it could also shower our planet with cosmic rays, affecting everything from our atmosphere to our technology. So, stick around as we explore the mysteries of Betelgeuse, its significance in astronomy, and what a supernova could mean for us here on Earth. What is Betelgeuse? Betelgeuse is a remarkable star that holds a prominent position in the Orion constellation, one of the most recognizable patterns in the night sky. Located at the shoulder of the mythical hunter Orion, Betelgeuse is easily identifiable due to its distinctive reddish color and brightness. In fact, it is one of the 10 brightest stars visible from Earth, often shining with a brilliance that captures the attention of both amateur and seasoned astronomers. When it comes to size, Betelgeuse is truly extraordinary. This red supergiant star is estimated to be about 1,000 times larger than our Sun, with a diameter that could encompass the orbit of Mars. Its immense size contributes to its luminosity, making it approximately 100,000 times brighter than the Sun. Despite its brilliance, Betelgeuse is located around 642 light-years away from Earth, a distance that allows us to observe its beauty while still being safely distant from its powerful energy. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is in the later stages of its stellar evolution. This classification indicates that it has exhausted the hydrogen fuel in its core and is now fusing heavier elements. Its eventual fate as a supernova will not only mark the end of its life but also provide invaluable insights into the life cycles of stars, making Betelgeuse a key player in our understanding of the universe. The life cycle of stars. The life cycle of stars is a fascinating journey that unfolds over millions to billions of years, culminating in dramatic events like supernovae. For massive stars like Betelgeuse, the process begins in a stellar nursery, where clouds of gas and dust collapse under gravity to form a protostar. As the protostar gathers mass, nuclear fusion ignites in its core, marking the birth of a new star. As these stars evolve, they go through several stages, including the main sequence phase, where they spend the majority of their lives fusing hydrogen into helium. Once the hydrogen is depleted, massive stars like Betelgeuse enter the red supergiant phase. Here, they expand significantly and begin fusing heavier elements, such as carbon and oxygen. This stage is crucial, as it sets the stage for the eventual supernova explosion. Different types of stars follow varied paths based on their mass. Smaller stars, like our Sun, will eventually become red giants and then shed their outer layers, leaving behind a white dwarf. In contrast, massive stars end their lives in spectacular supernova explosions, enriching the surrounding space with heavy elements. Understanding stellar life cycles is significant not only for grasping the fate of stars but also for comprehending the formation of galaxies and the origins of the elements that make up our universe. Each supernova contributes to the cosmic tapestry, influencing the birth of new stars and planetary systems. Signs of an impending supernova. Betelgeuse has been the center of attention in recent years due to intriguing signs that suggest it may be on the brink of going supernova. One of the most notable indicators is the star's fluctuating brightness. Observations have shown that Betelgeuse experienced a significant dimming event in late 2019, leading to widespread speculation about its imminent fate. This dimming was unusual and caught the attention of astronomers, prompting further investigation into the star's behavior. To predict supernova events, scientists employ a variety of methods, including photometry and spectroscopy. Photometry allows astronomers to measure the brightness of Betelgeuse over time, while spectroscopy helps analyze the star's light spectrum to determine its composition and temperature. By studying these changes, researchers can gain insights into the star's internal processes and assess its stability. Monitoring Betelgeuse's behavior is crucial not only for understanding its life cycle but also for preparing for the potential consequences of a supernova. If Betelgeuse were to explode, it could provide a unique opportunity to study the phenomenon up close, as it would be visible from Earth during the event. Additionally, understanding the indicators of a supernova can enhance our knowledge of stellar evolution and the dynamics of our galaxy, making Betelgeuse a key focus in modern astronomy. Potential impact of Betelgeuse's supernova. If Betelgeuse were to go supernova, the event would be nothing short of spectacular, potentially visible from Earth even during daylight. Astronomers estimate that the explosion could shine as brightly as the full moon, illuminating the night sky for weeks or even months. This extraordinary visibility would not only captivate stargazers but also provide a unique opportunity for scientists to study the dynamics of a supernova in real time. However, the implications of such an event extend beyond mere aesthetics. A supernova explosion releases an immense amount of energy and cosmic rays, which could have significant effects on Earth's atmosphere. While Betelgeuse is located about 642 light-years away, far enough to avoid immediate danger, there is still concern about the potential for increased radiation levels. This could lead to disruptions in our atmosphere, affecting satellite communications and possibly even the ozone layer. Historically, supernovae have had profound impacts on Earth. For instance, the Crab Nebula, the remnant of a supernova observed in 1054 AD, has been linked to changes in the environment and even cultural shifts among ancient civilizations. Understanding the potential effects of Betelgeuse's supernova helps us appreciate the interconnectedness of cosmic events and life on Earth, emphasizing the importance of monitoring this fascinating star. Scientific community's perspective. The scientific community has been buzzing with excitement and curiosity regarding Betelgeuse and its potential to go supernova. Many astronomers believe that while Betelgeuse is indeed nearing the end of its life cycle, predicting an imminent supernova is complex. Experts suggest that while it could happen within the next million years, the exact timing remains uncertain. This ambiguity fuels ongoing research, as scientists strive to understand the star's behavior and the factors that could trigger its explosive demise. Ongoing observations of Betelgeuse have intensified since its notable dimming in 2019. Researchers are utilizing advanced telescopes and imaging techniques to monitor changes in brightness, temperature, and spectral characteristics. These observations are crucial for piecing together the puzzle of Betelgeuse's life cycle and assessing its stability. Collaboration is key in this endeavor, with astronomers from various institutions and countries pooling their resources and expertise. Projects like the Betelgeuse Monitoring Campaign bring together scientists to share data and insights, fostering a collective understanding of this enigmatic star. This collaborative spirit not only enhances our knowledge of Betelgeuse but also contributes to broader studies of stellar evolution and supernova phenomena. As the scientific community continues to investigate, Betelgeuse remains a focal point for both research and public fascination, bridging the gap between cosmic mysteries and human curiosity. In summary, Betelgeuse stands out as one of the most intriguing stars in our night sky, not only for its striking appearance but also for its potential to go supernova. As a red supergiant in the Orion constellation, Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life cycle, and while it could explode within the next million years, predicting the exact timing remains a challenge for astronomers. The fluctuations in its brightness and ongoing research highlight the importance of monitoring this celestial giant, as it offers invaluable insights into stellar evolution and the dynamics of our universe. Key takeaways for viewers include the understanding that Betelgeuse's supernova could be a spectacular event visible from Earth, with potential implications for our atmosphere and environment. Additionally, the collaborative efforts within the scientific community emphasize the importance of shared knowledge in unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. If you found this exploration of Betelgeuse fascinating, we encourage you to engage with our content. Please subscribe to our channel for more captivating discussions about the universe, like this video to show your support, and share it with friends who might also be intrigued by the wonders of astronomy. Your engagement helps us continue bringing you exciting insights into the cosmos.